Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Roy P. Del Rosario from PUP Santa Mesa. First, I would like to thank you for this opportunity to interview you. Um, I'm just going to ask questions about you and with regards to your course, which is Bachelor in Business Education. So my first question is, what is your name?
I'm Melvin Higo Pagdonsalan.
Okay, ma'am Melvin. Second question is, what year you graduated from PUP Santa Mesa?
Year graduated 1995.
Okay, so the third question is, what is your current position here in Commission on Appointments?
I'm a senior minute officer, but my position is Legislative Staff Officer 5.
Okay, ma'am. So, the fourth question is, what is your first job?
My first job is a professor at STI College, Bacoor.
So, fifth question, ma'am. What subjects in college are related to your job now?
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
presently, stenography. Yon, stenography. Kasi I'm a senior minute officer.
So, sixth question, ma'am. What are your updates on PUP?
Updates? What kind of updates?
Um,
Sa mga regarding subjects,
yes,
I
ma'am.
think you should focus on tech, yung yung subjects about technology, kasi current technology, yun na yung in ngayon, di ba?
Opo,
More on
yes.
computer subjects.
Yes, ma'am. So, the seventh and last question is, what can you suggest to the course Bachelor in Business Teacher Education?
The same, focus more on new technologies.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.